Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Darerkam online classes. It's me, Mrs. Salim, class PG. It's time to comprehension. A workbook page number 48. Today we will learn about the birds. In previous lecture we will learn about these two birds like duck and hen. Today we will learn about next three birds like crow, sparrow and parrot. Now students, it's time to coloring. Take a black color for crow. First we will make boundary and fill it. Now take a brown color for sparrow. First make a boundary and fill it. And last one is parrot. Take a light green color for parrot. First make a boundary and fill it. Complete this page by your own. Take care. Allah Hafiz.